In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to create a simple CSV to JSON converter website that allows you to convert your CSV data and download the JSON output, all with just a few clicks. To get started, you will need a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We will be creating a simple website with a text area for inputting your CSV data, a button to convert the data, and a pre-formatted text area to display the JSON output. Simply type "Create a CSV to JSON Converter App" using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and ChatGPT. Now the ChatGPT will create a code. Copy-paste the code to your project and save it. Open the project in Chrome, copy-paste the CSV data in first text area and click Convert button. This will convert the CSV data into JSON data and display the JSON data in second text area. Once the data has been converted to JSON format, you can able to copy the JSON data to clipboard using Copy button, and also you can download the JSON data using Download button. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, we have created a simple but powerful CSV to JSON converter website. Whether you're a developer or a data analyst, this tutorial is perfect for anyone who needs to convert CSV data to JSON format. So go ahead and give it a try and see how easy it is to convert your CSV data to JSON format in minutes using ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. And as always, leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions.